Good morning, you guys. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update. The river has started to freeze over again. It's been negative degrees or very cold, under 30 Fahrenheit for the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. So it froze over and then it got warm and it thawed and now it's freezing over again. And anytime it freezes over like this, you can hear the ice cracking and it shakes the entire house, as well as this like, pew, 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 pew. I'm really bad at sounds, I'm sorry, but there's like this crazy cool sound. I think I showed it in another video, and if I haven't already, I will insert it here from earlier this year, the first time it froze over. I think the ice is cracking. But it's doing it again now. So yeah, it's really fun. It's probably one of the cool parts of the winter, living on the boathouse. I don't know if you just heard that, but it just banged right next to me. Yeah, it's really cool. Anyways, I thought I'd give you guys an update. If I catch any of it on film, I will for sure share it with you guys. It is so cool. But it's very sporadic, so it's kind of hard to catch. Good morning, you guys. So I am going to go for a little cruise. It is winter, but today is sunny. It is about 30 degrees, 33 degrees my car says right now. And even though it's a little bit chilly out in the weather, I figured I'd be nice and warm in the car. Plus, Jonah has the day off today, which means I have access to the car. So let's go for a little cruise and probably pick up some coffee. I still have $100 worth of, well, about $100 worth of Starbucks gift cards from everybody on Maui, but there's only one Starbucks here in Minnesota, or I guess here in Winona. Minnesotans are big Caribou fans, so there are less Starbucks around, and it's in Target. So it looks like I'm gonna go to Target and get a coffee, and then I think I might just go for a little drive, but I don't know where or what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, so I got coffee and I got a lemonade. I couldn't decide, I wanted hot and cold. So I already put my coffee in my cup so that it stays warmer longer, so I can keep it longer. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I probably shouldn't be having more coffee, but I am. And then I got a pineapple passion fruit iced tea, no, lemonade. It tastes like Hawaii. It's nice. So I'm gonna go for a cruise. I don't know where, but I'll try to get some recording, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, bye. So I'm going for a ride. Okay, so I decided to come out because right now there are ice skaters on a lake. As a little girl, I remember ice skating on the lake, and then I thought it went away for a long time, like it wasn't safe or nobody was doing it anymore, and now it's full of skaters today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I thought I'd show you guys. I will tell you what, the wind is definitely a little bit bitey on the ears and nose and fingertips. this is a little bit scary. The holes in this thing. I know they're not that big, but like the snow over the top of it, you can't really see the boards. Like to be sure they're safe. Feeling a little bit unsafe. Be brave, Mara, be brave. It's fine. It's just a bridge. God, I'm such a sissy. Ice skaters are right over there. Ice fishermen over there. That's Sugarloaf. This is the big Lake Winona. Connects to Small Lake Winona. Small Lake Winona is on the other side of this. I'm not sure. Are those motorcycles on the ice? What in the world are they doing? You guys, do you not think that's dangerous? This seems so dangerous. I know it's frozen over, but hell, there's motorcycle races happening on the ice. I promise you guys that's ice. That's a lake. That's the Small Lake Winona. Whoa. They are motorcycles. I just drove by just to double check. They are definitely motorcycles going around on a track on the ice. All roads lead to you. All right, so I picked up my laundry. I got water from Mama Belle's house, which is two things that I need to do today. I have one other stop I have to make today, which is to stop at Midtown Foods and get some half and half and some coffee filters so we can have coffee tomorrow. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna take one more little drive. Just gonna go to Prairie Island. You guys have seen it plenty of times. Or maybe actually I'll go to Wisconsin side and just go cruise that side for a little while or something. I don't know. It's just still so sunny out, and if I go Minnesota side, the bluffs will cut off the sun. If I go Wisconsin side, I'll get more sunlight for a longer period of time. So I might cross over the bridge and go Wisconsin side for a little while. Who knows? So right down is the road that we came in on, and I'm gonna go back on that road, but it is just stunning up here. I really hope it got a picture of coming up that hill on that church with the bluffs in the background. Really beautiful. I wish I had a drone so I could show you how beautiful Fountain City really is from above and from out on the river looking this way, how it is built into the bluffs. I don't know if I can really get the best view of that from here. So I don't know if you can see that, but see how it's kind of built up into the bluff. So there's like the main road, and then each road is a little bit higher. It's so beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little road trip with me, and I hope I got some good footage for you, and I will catch up with you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.